Well, got a new Amazon package, a new part for the side-by-side. I'm sure you can figure out what it is, but let me just go ahead and open the box. So I got myself a Nightlight curved LED light bar. Comes with a wiring harness and some brackets. Although I'm waiting on from Extreme Metal Products or Productions, I'm not quite sure what they're called. They have a bracket specifically made for the Maverick Trail, Maverick Sport, etc. So it'll be able to clamp right onto the roll cage on the front of the machine. So should be fun. Should be good to have a nice big bright bar because the headlights suck on that machine. Heading down to my sister's property for the weekend, just for one night, to help them out with their property or some stuff in their house, and then we take the side-by-side because they got some decent amount of acreage. So should be a good time. I'm almost there. It's a bit far from my house, about an hour 15 minutes. So should be a good time though. Just checking out the blind here at the property, as usual, filled with mice and crap. So that's the back, that's the front part of the property. This is the back. Pretty exciting. It's fun ripping this around. I'm seeing a lot of deer, which bodes well for the hunting for my rifle season. So that was just a little video showing how the ramps kind of work when you unload them. Loading them is just the reverse. Basically, I have to back up those ramps and they rotate and I get back in the machine. So now I'm just putting them away and gonna be hanging them up on little hangers I made with just, or I got from Harbor Freight. So just 3 of those. The main ramp system hangs on there, and the actual, some of the pieces hang on that one as well. So pretty convenient, doesn't take up too much space in here. So had a good weekend at my sister's. I'll probably try to film more for when I go up to my buddy's cabin next weekend for a bit longer. It'll be like a 3-nighter, like our camping as well. So well, that's just a quick little rinse off. Didn't want to do too much with the machine, but just wanted to rinse it off a little bit before the weekend so it's not just covered in mud, and clear out the radiator because I went through a bunch of wheat and stuff back at my sister's, so a bunch of seeds got in there. So I wanted just to make sure that was cleared out. Alright, so the light bar needed a new main terminal ends, because the ones that came on it, they look big, but they're actually very thin, and the gauge of the cable is it's a 14 gauge, I think, from what I can see on it. So with how thin that is and how big, This wouldn't fit. This would probably fit on the battery directly, but not on the little accessory terminal bar or bus bar, whatever they call it, in the machine. So I bought some. I probably needed these anyways. I bought some crimp connectors, cheap crimping tools, some heat shrink, and then went ahead and snipped off those ends, crimped on a new one, made sure they're both not loose at all, so they're pretty tight. So these ones should actually fit on the bar nicely and should work from there. I don't know when the brackets will be coming in, but they're taking a lot longer than the website said they would, and just concerned about when they're actually going to get in here. So hopefully I have them before this weekend, but if not, it just means I won't have the light bar for the cabin trip. So no biggie, but it'd be nice to have it.